Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by clicking the chart to activate Chart Tools. This makes Gridlines selectable. You want to directly click a horizontal or vertical grid line so Excel understands which series to edit. Once selected, open the Format pane on the right. It shows gridline options and fill and line controls. Make sure you selected major or minor grid lines depending on what you want removed. This first step avoids changing axes or plot area by mistake and prepares you for the removal action. With grid lines selected, choose Fill and Line in the Format pane and set line to no line. That hides them while preserving axis scales. Alternatively, click the green Chart Elements plus icon, uncheck grid lines, and both major and minor lines disappear immediately. If you prefer removing the series entirely, press Delete after selecting the grid line series. Excel will remove that layer. Either method is fine. Use no line if you might want to restore appearance later. Finish by checking that your data remains readable without grid lines. Sometimes tick marks or data labels need adjustment once lines are gone. If you change your mind, use Undo or re-enable grid lines from Chart Elements or the Format pane. It's reversible. If grid lines still appear, inspect for added background shapes, an overlaid picture, or a secondary axis that has its own grid lines. Remove or hide those separately. That one troubleshooting tip usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.